另外，伫英国智慧型的手机也是真普及哦。25岁至34岁少年人，逐工用手机超过4点钟。为着要改善这款的状况，英国的离线俱乐部就推出所谓百度之夜，互民众伫咧现实当中交朋友做回算，嘛通发现无手机也有生活趣味，反应真好。
Are you willing to be grown over?
立场真正爱先甲手机搞出来，英国的离线俱乐部办所谓百度之夜，150张门票，互人抢了了。若是家己愿意来，一罐开9.5英镑，差不多大票407块买票。而且拢是传好才来，2点钟的活动，现场放音乐，有人请碰洗、画图、看书、看报纸，或者是摕计算机算数学的题目。一个人拿零咖啡、拿冥想。主办单位讲，来参加这场活动的民众年纪伫咧20到35岁中。根据英国通信管理局的资料显示，年纪伫咧25到34岁英国少年人，逐工额头耍手机的时间超过4点钟。
I could spend anywhere between like 6 and 8 hours on my phone a day, especially on the weekend if I'm not working. It's like compulsive and like almost addictive in a way.
第2点钟是开放大家交新的朋友，做伙开讲或者是耍游戏，回归到无手机的乐趣甲生活体验。活动结束，大家将手机摕出来，甲新朋友加入社群媒体。英国网红拉姆伫社群媒体展示家己的影片图。因为有人讲伊欣赏伊的作品，互伊慢慢沉浸伫咧网络上发表作品，也互伊正紧就有超过17万的粉丝。不过，当转到现实的生活，咱无啥感觉空虚孤立，因为伊的人际关系甲成就感拢是来自虚拟的空间。所以，咱无开始想讲，是毋是应该返璞归真，莫去用智慧型手机啊，改用传统的手机啊。
Since I got rid of my smartphone, I've probably lost 20,000 followers. So I wish I could say it hasn't made a difference, but it definitely has. Now that's just judging it by one metric. My career has actually taken off, but outside of social media. So I'm not showing up in people's timelines, but I am showing up in literary journals and in newspapers and in galleries because I've put more emphasis on the real life networks that support my career instead of this one digital platform.
咱无发现，降低使用手机啊。对实际生活并无偌大影响，等到会当感受到家己存在价值的时阵，伊就想要推送，互每一个人拢知影，无一定爱用智慧型手机啊。公司新闻沈乐培编辑。